Hello everyone. Today we're going to be doing traffic circuits on the Vatsim network in Dortmund. Traffic circuits are one of the easiest ways to get started in Vatsim and they give you confidence going ahead. First thing that we're going to have to do is file a flat plan. Sometimes you can do traffic circuits without a flat plan, but I'll recommend filing them as ATC can sometimes call you out for not doing it. So call sign today will be November 8681, departing at EDLW Echo Delta Lima Whiskey and coming back the same way as we're doing circuits. The aircraft type is going to be Cessna 172. Here it is. Right, and we can change this to VFR and generate flight. Once the flight plan is generated, we can go to pre-file on the network. That's right here. Check everything's correct. 8681. Yep, there we go. File the flight plan, and it should be filed. The next step is going to be connecting to Vatsim. For today, I'm going to be using vPilot as is used by most pilots who fly on Vatsim. Hit the connect buttons. Call sign November 8681. Type code Cessna 172. Make sure that connect in observer mode is unchecked, and you press connect. Before contacting ATC for the first time, we're gonna go to the ATIS for Dortmund. There we go, and it's gonna be information Charlie that we're gonna see on first contact. So now let's contact the tower for the first time. It's gonna be 134.180. It takes a second here. There we go. Let's contact the tower now. Switch over to the tower. Dortmund Tower, good day, November 8681.
November 8681, Dortmund Tower, hello.
Okay, there we go. Let's see. Dortmund Tower, good day, November 8681, Cessna 172, stand 12 with information Bravo. Request closed traffic circuits, please.
November 8681, information Charlie is current, startup is approved, call me when ready for taxi.
Startup approved and we'll call ready for taxi 8681. Okay, there we go. We're approved for startup, which we're going to do right now. We'll prime the engine. There we go, already primed and start. If we just go over the airport chart once that I got from ChartFox, it's completely free. And I do not own Navigraph since I'm poor and a child. We're over here at stand 12 and runway 06 is currently in use. Our taxi instruction is going to probably be to the Bravo holding point via mic or directly to Bravo, whatever the ATC prefers. Okay, now let's contact the tower for taxi. November 8681, ready for taxi.
November 8681, taxi holding point 06 via Mike and Alpha.
Taxi holding point 06 via Mike and Alpha, November 8681. Okay, so he gave us the Alpha holding point here instead of Bravo, but that's alright. We can always take an extended takeoff. Start moving now. The Alpha holding point is going to be to our left side. Yep, the very last holding point that way. I'll call you back when we're ready for departure. We've come up with the Alpha holding point. Oops, just went a little further. We're going to call tower and say that we're ready for departure. November 8681, ready for departure.
8681, Roger.
Okay.
Bravo Charlie, after touch and go into traffic circuit, runway 06, wind 05, good release, runway 06, clear touch and go. Clear touch and go, runway 06, after join traffic circuit, runway 06, Bravo Charlie. November 8681, behind next arriving, Cirrus jet, Visitant jet, line up runway 06 behind.
Behind the arriving Vision jet, line up runway 06 behind, November 8681. Okay, we were just told by the tower to wait till that aircraft over there touches down and we can line up for runway 06. Okay, we can see our Vision jet is overhead the runway. We can start taxiing to the runway now.
Number 8681 after departure enter traffic circuit runway 06, wind 050 degrees, runway 06, clear for takeoff.
After departure, enter left-hand traffic circuit for runway 06, November 8681, cleared for takeoff, runway 06, 8681. Apologies. Okay, just messed up that a little bit. Gonna be using this for reference on the other tab.
Delta Bravo Charlie, downwind 06 for full stop landing. Bravo Charlie, roger.
Keep it nice and steady. Make sure we don't drift off. A little late takeoff, but that's fine. We can pull back a little bit. Flaps up. Now we're gonna ask for a touch and go once we're on the downwind circuit, the downwind leg. Okay, we're now on the downwind leg, and we can ask for touch and go for runway 06. November 8681, downwind leg, request touch and go for runway 06.
8681, roger, caution, there's a full stop landing in front of you.
Yep, we have the traffic inside and we'll caution, and yeah, landing in front of us, 8681. Okay, messed that up a little bit while since I've done circuits, but what we're gonna want to do, as there is landing traffic over there, we're gonna want to enter the base leg behind them so that we don't, glide and unalive ourselves. Turning on to find it. We're still waiting clearance from the ATC. We're still not clear to land.
Number 8681, traffic is about to vacate, wind 050 degrees, 106, clear touch and go after the traffic circuit, runway 06. Head up Bravo Charlie, runway vacated via Charlie.
Clear touch and go for runway 06, November 8681, and after departure, join left-hand traffic circuit, 8681. Okay, here we go.
Bravo Charlie, keep it rolling, taxi to the GAT via Michael.
Keep it nice and smooth. Go, flare. Okay, that was a Ryanair, it's all good. Flaps up, full throttle. Now that we're on the downwind leg, we're gonna ask for a full stop landing and then a taxi back to the gate. November 8681, downwind, request full stop landing 06.
Number 8681, roger, wind 050 degrees, 100, runway 06, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 06, November 8681.
Guten Tag, schönen guten Tag, Lufthansa 110, ILS runway 06.
Lufthansa 110, Dortmund Tower, hello. Number 8681, expedite vacate, please.
expedite vacate, and we'll try as fast as we can. 8681.
110, expect late.
Okay, we're back on the ground now.
8681, thank you for cooperation. Taxi back to the GAT via Mike and Lima.
Taxi back via Mike and Lima, November 8681. So now we're just going to be parking back at the gate, and that's how you do traffic circuits in Vatsim. If you have any questions for me, please, please ask them in the comments. I'm open to answer every single one of them, and also please tell me what I could have done better, as that was not that good. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.